Here today, we're going to talk about the units of concentration. Concentration, as we all know, is the amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent. There are several units in which we can record our concentration. Chemists use different units for representing and recording the concentration of a given amount of solute in a given amount of solvent. Now, we'll be comparing the various units of concentration, and then we start from the first one, which is percentage by mass. Percentage by mass of a solution is defined as the mass of solute over mass of the solution times 100%. I repeat, percentage by mass of a solute in a solution is equal to mass of solute over mass of the solution times 100%, which means that if we are given the mass of solute and the mass of solvent, our mass of solution will be equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So which means the formula for finding the percentage by mass of solute can now be expressed as mass of solute over mass of solute plus mass of solvent times 100%, which means that the mass of solute plus mass of solvent is our mass of solution. All right, then number 2, we have what is called molarity. Molarity is the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of a solution. Again, molarity is the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of a solution, which gives us the formula of molarity as molarity is equal to moles of solute over liters of solution. And the unit of molarity is always mole per liter or molar, which is capital letter M. So we can represent it as mole per liter or molar. And always remember that liter is the same thing as dm cube, that is decimeter cube. So we can have mole per liter or mole per dm cube or molar as the unit of molarity. Now, the third one, which is the third unit of concentration, is what is called molality. Get it well, molality. It is different from molarity, and it is defined as the number of moles of solute in 1 kilogram of solvent. I repeat, molality is the number of moles of solute in 1 kilogram of solvent. That is, molality is equal to moles of solute over mass of solvent in kilogram. Again, molality is equal to moles of solute over mass of solvent in kilogram. The unit of molality is molal, which is represented by small letter m, molal, M-O-L-A-L. Okay, then we move to the next unit of concentration, which is called normality. What is normality? Normality is the number of equivalents of a solute in 1 liter of a solution. Again, normality is the number of equivalent of solute in 1 liter of a solution. Now, what do we mean by number of equivalent? Number of equivalent is the number of reactive species present in the compound, that is, in the solute. For example, if we have an acid-base reaction, the number of replaceable hydrogen ion of the acid is equivalent to the number of equivalents. What we mean is that if we have an acid such as H2SO4, the number of equivalents will be equal to 2, which is the number of replaceable hydrogen ion. But if we have an acid like H3PO4, the number of equivalents will be equal to 3, which is the number of replaceable hydrogen ion present in the acid. Now, there is a relationship between normality and molarity. The relationship between normality and molarity is that normality is equal to n molarity. That is, normality is equal to number of equivalent multiplied by molarity. So, which means that, take for example, if we have 2 molar H2SO4, if we have 2 molar H2SO4, then the normality will be equal to 4 normal, because H2SO4 has 2 replaceable hydrogen ion. So the small letter n will be equal to 2. So the normality will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 molar, and the normality will be equal to 4 normal. If you enjoyed this video, click on the subscribe button below and join our chemistry family. Thank you once again. Goodbye.